Hey guys, we're going to be solving problems today involving coupons and rebates. So what is a coupon and what is a rebate? Well, most of you have probably heard of at least a coupon, which is either money off or a percent off that we calculate, and it's subtracted immediately, okay? So we take it immediately off the cost, okay? A rebate is actually money that we receive back. So normally I think of it as a mail-in rebate, but I'm sure they do other types of rebates now, but it's money back. Now the thing of it is this can be misleading because it doesn't mean we're really adding when we're solving a problem. We treat it like a coupon, like we're subtracting it off, okay? Because it's basically money back to us, okay? Whereas the coupon is money off of a purchase. So you don't want to confuse that. So basically, when determining final cost, you're going to treat a rebate similar to a coupon. Just pretend it's like a coupon, okay? Because in the end, that's basically how it's going to end up working, okay? It's like we would take more money off, or we would pay more money now and get a little bit more back. So it's like we didn't pay as much, okay? So let's look at this first problem here. This is a little different than what we've done. Kyla bought a jacket for $120 and a pair of shoes for $70. She has a coupon that gives her 30% off of her total purchase, okay? She also has a $10 rebate, okay? So again, we're going to treat that like a coupon, okay? What will be her final cost? I'm going to circle that because that's what I'm looking for, not including tax, okay? So we're looking for our total final cost. So the first thing I'm doing is we're purchasing a couple of things, right? We're purchasing a jacket for $120 and shoes for $70. So I'm going to add those to see how much I would owe normally. So if there was no sale, I would be paying $190 and eventually plus tax, but we're not going to deal with tax. But she has a coupon. So I think of this as like Kohl's. Kohl's sends coupons all the time for a percent off. So it's 30% off. So most of you remember we change the percent to a decimal and we multiply. Okay, so 30%, I move it 1, 2, so that's 0.30, which is the same as 0.3. So change the percent to a decimal and multiply. So you are going to multiply the cost by 0.3. So 0, 27. 3 plus 2 is 5. Move the decimal once. Okay, so this right here, what does that represent? Hopefully you know that this represents the off, and the reason I know that is because 30% is the off. So whenever I ask what does this represent, look at my decimal, back what it says, it's the off. What do we do with the off? Well, we subtract. We subtract it off. So from what? From 190. I was supposed to pay $190, but it's $57 off, which means what do I pay? And it looks like I get $133, correct? Okay. So $133. Oh, but don't forget we also have a rebate. Okay, we also have a rebate. So I'm treating that like a coupon so that it's showing me basically my final cost is going to be $123. When it's all said and done, I'm going to end up spending $123. And we're not going to have to mess with the tax. Okay? So there is our final cost. Okay? So now we're going to try the next one. It says Amy went shopping to buy presents for her son, Zachary. She bought him a video game that was $70 originally, but it was on sale for 20% off. She also bought a hoodie for him that was $45. Amy has a $20 mail-in rebate for her purchase. So what will be her final cost after our discount for all of her gifts? So we have 2 gifts, right? One of the gifts is 20% off, which is the game. So what do we do with that? Hopefully you know we change the percent to a decimal and we multiply, okay? So 70 times either 0.20 or 0.2, and y'all know I like to use 0.2. 0, 14, move it, one time. And so remember, my question would be, what does this number represent? Because this is not the sale price. This is the off. Okay. Off of the video game, right? So here's my video game at $70, but today I'm saving money. And how much is it going to be? $56. Okay. So Amy bought a video game that is on sale for $56. She's buying a hoodie that's $45. So what do I do with those 2 numbers? We're purchasing these things. What do we do? Hopefully you know we're going to add. So that's, how much is 5 plus 6? 11. Carry the 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So 101. And again, that's with no tax. We're not dealing with tax today. And this rebate is $20 off. So that means, remember, I treat it like a coupon. So minus 20. 1. And then I think of this as like 10 minus 2, which is 8. So our final price for our video game and the hoodie is going to be $81. So if I think about it, this is my answer, 81. 70 plus 45. So if I hadn't had those discounts, I would have paid $115. That's what I would have paid plus tax. Now it's just 81, okay? Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you understand the difference between a coupon and a rebate.